It's time for our weekly treasure hunt. Each week, we select 10 treasures, tag them with a little blue dot, and that treasure is 20% off for the week. This week's sale is March 20th through 27th, but you're going to want to claim your favorite pretty quickly. So simply reach out to us and we can hold the treasure until you can get here, or we can ship it out to you. Now, before we dive into our treasures, let me tell you about our anniversary celebration. So May 29th through 31st, we are celebrating 8 years in Apex. There'll be a kids prize wheel. Kids can spin the wheel and get a prize just for being a kid. There's prize packages that you can enter to win in a drawing. And then the entire gift shop is 20% off. We hope you'll join us. All right, folks, let's go ahead and get started. All right, folks.
Treasure number 1 is this $18 amethyst geode from Brazil. Metaphysically, amethyst is believed to offer serenity, ushering in peace, light, and joy, and providing stress relief. Treasure number 2 is this $30 quartz with inclusions. It's also known as garden quartz. This particular piece is from Brazil. Garden quartz is believed to enhance inner strength, encouraging knowing our past to allow us to grow in the present, and helps you reimagine your path. Treasure number 3 is this gorgeous $42 smoky quartz from Brazil. This piece is natural and has not been irradiated. So this is the stone's natural dark color. Smoky quartz is known for its powerful grounding energy, promoting focus and patience, removing negative thoughts, and supporting the achievement of our dreams. Treasure number 4 is this $49 crazy lace agate stone. This piece has been polished on one side and left in its raw natural state on the other. This piece is from Mexico. Check out that amazing pattern and a little bit of druzy sparkle there. So crazy lace agate is known for encouraging us to find and follow our life's path. So this will be treasure number 5, this agate polished cut base. Check out that amazing color and pattern inside. I love the stripes here too. This is a $26 piece, and agates are known for instilling courage and strength, supporting emotional stability, offering grounding and serenity. And treasure number 6 is this $46 crystal skull. Crystal skulls are often used as memento moris to remind us of our own mortality and encourage us to live each day to its fullest and to appreciate the life that we've been given. And treasure number 7 is this $40 ocean jasper slice. You can see the crystalline structure on the edge and on the interior. It's a beautiful green and white dappled piece. Ocean jasper metaphysically supports lifting negativity, promoting optimism and happiness, and deepens our appreciation of life's blessings. And treasure number 8 is this gorgeous lampwork glass sea turtle. This is an $89 piece, and this piece was made by a master artisan who formerly worked for the Walt Disney World Company. This piece can set on your, as a display piece, or it has a little loop there that you can wear it as a pendant. And he's so cute. And treasure number 9 is this stunning forest epidote and clear quartz specimen from Turkey. This is a $56 piece. And forest epidote, metaphysically, provides supportive encouragement to enjoy life to its fullest. It's also believed to attract abundance. And treasure number 10 is this striking zebra calcite specimen from Mexico. It's a $30 piece, and it is rich with dendritic formations, amazing patterns and banding. Metaphysically, zebra calcite aids in self-expression, enhancing confidence and bravery.
And that'll do it for this week's treasure hunt. Thanks for joining us. We hope you have a great week, and we'll see you next time.